On November 14, this year's ski season kicked off.
But not every day offers blue skies and pristine slopes.
That makes it all the more important to have a cozy retreat to head back to, and that's exactly what we did. This year, we brought along a special travel companion for our ski vacation, the N1S Ultimate. Our hotel room didn't have a white wall opposite the bed, but that wasn't a problem.
Instead of staring at a blank wall, we pointed it at the ceiling. JMGO really put thought into the design of the N1S Ultimate. Instead of shipping it in a standard cardboard box, it comes in a durable carrying case.
This case can be used anytime to take the projector on your travels. The device is quick and easy to set up. The power cord is long enough that you don't necessarily need an extension cord.
If you frequently find yourself needing a longer cable, you can always purchase a longer cold appliance cable. Essentially, you only need a single cord to operate the JMGO N1S Ultimate.
HDMI cables or USB sticks aren't strictly required. Once the JMGO is in place, it can be adjusted or repositioned as desired.
Thanks to its gimbal-mounted design, the projector can be set up very flexibly. In our experience, projecting the image onto the ceiling is far more comfortable than one might initially expect.
Depending on the angle, you may need to make a few adjustments yourself. For the best results, especially when trying to keep the image level for everyone in bed, manual fine-tuning is recommended.
Once everything is set up, you're ready to enjoy some projector fun, whether during a heavy snowstorm or after a long day on the slope. The JMGO N1S Ultimate transforms any small, rustic hotel room into a cozy mobile cinema.
We enjoyed some trash TV to unwind and make the time off the slopes even better. If you have any questions left, feel free to write them down.